This 2022 Dynamax Corp Dynaquest XL 37RB is a Super C RV. It is located in Jacksonville, Florida 32277 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Jacksonville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dynamax Corp is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bath and a half, bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2022 Dynamax Corp Dynaquest XL 37RB is built on a Freightliner M2 2112 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.